Do you want to know how to use threads on Instagram? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. So before we start, I am expecting that you already have the threads application. So for those who don't have it yet, then I highly recommend you to actually go to your Play Store or your App Store depending on the device you have there, and then just type Instagram threads, and here just download the thread. Now let's go back to your Instagram application. It will lead to your home page directly. Click on your profile picture in the bottom right there. In the upper right you will see the three dashed lines which is your menu icon. Click on it and you will see threads. If this threads option is not visible to you, please update your Instagram application. Now tap on the threads option and here you are invited and get threads. Now it will lead to your Play Store directly. What you want to do is after downloading the application is you can go directly to threads here and basically just connect your account. So you can import the information from your Instagram application and basically you will have this profile here. Now it actually work like a Twitter. So here on the home page you will see the feeds area or the post from your random people or like the people you follow, your friends on your Instagram, and here you can search the people or the topics, and then here you will be able to create a threads or the post where anyone can reply. Now here in your activity you will see notifications about everything. You can actually sort it by replies and verified. Now on your profile icon you can actually edit your profile here. If you tap on edit profile you can add link here, erase your bio, change your DP or your profile there, and here on the upper right you will see this two dash line here. You will see the settings area. Basically you will see the following and invite friends, your notification, your privacy, your account help, about, and then the log out of account. So it is very easy to use. So this is how you can use threads. So basically same as Twitter. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.